Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and we have a brown box, and you guys already see from the title, you guys already know what it is. Big shout out to Team Pixel. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a package from Team Pixel. Basically what this is that they send this out to a bunch of different tech reviewers, and they're able to get their hands on with the newest Pixels that release, or whatever Google product that they have that's coming out that they want the Team Pixel guys to check out. So big shout out to my fellow members, and this is what it comes in the packaging. It did come from FedEx. It did a overnight from California, and it arrived by 10:30 on the dot. Actually, she was actually 1 minute early. So this is the actual box itself, and from the inside you do have a little note here that's from Google. So if you guys are interested to see what this looks like, you guys could actually pause this and read it for yourself. And if you guys want to fast forward it, just hit the little thing to fast forward it. So here's what it says in the box. It says, "Hi Alan, we're excited to introduce to you the latest from Google. Our mission is to build a more helpful Google for everyone. That means giving people the tools to increase their knowledge, success, health, and happiness. It also means partnering with organizations to help build, grow their skills, careers, or businesses. To that end, along with this gift to you, we are also supporting local boys and girls clubs with tools and training to help teens learn valuable job skills for today and tomorrow. It's all part of help that made the Google way. We hope you'll share your experience by tagging hashtag Pixel4 and hashtag gift from Google. Find us on Instagram at Google Pixel. Sincerely, your friends at Google. Ava Donaldson, Google." So here's what it says. Say hi to your new Google Pixel 4. If you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Not reading all that. So big shout out to the team. Big shout out to Mark as well. So here's the actual what it has in the box. See if we could get in there a little better. So you just take this out, the box to the side, and this is what it looks like. Making help magical. Hashtag made by Google. So let's see what it says in the back. Nothing really. Here we go, guys. The Google, whatever Pixel it is. I'm not sure which one I have. We'll find out together. Alright. So you have a nice little presentation here. Pixel 4. P4. Here's the phone itself. See what else is in the box here. Looks like it comes with, this should be like a case or whatever, but on the inside you do have this, if you guys want to pause that and read it to the side, and on the other side as well. Now it's not as big as the other Pixel boxes I've got in the past, but this is straight to the point. So you have a Pixel 4 case, and let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like here. Just another pull tab here, pull tab there. And it looks like I have a salmon color. This is almost like the one that we have with the other Google Pixel. So this should be a little heads up of what is coming, hopefully. Now I did want the Panda Pixel, but slowly but surely the one with the Also Orange has been growing on me. So hopefully this is a sign that I do have the one that's Also Orange. So let's put that to the side, because that one is actually I think that one is in limited quantities, I guess. So let's just see what we got here. Pop open the tabs. Alright, here we go. You guys will find out as soon as I do. Boom! Check it out. I knew it. I knew it. So this is the Google Pixel 4 XL in the Also Orange color. I'm not sure on which variant it is, but I do know this is definitely a beauty. Now, on camera, it looks a little bit more orange, but in person, it's more like a light salmon type of color. So let's put that to the side and see what's in the box, because that's what everyone does in unboxing. So you have the Google SIM ejection tool, and you have your transfer tool, Type-C to Type-C. Then we have a power brick as well. Same one that you get with the Pixel 3 series. Now, there's one big difference that you guys have not noticed, or I definitely noticed right away when I was watching the other videos, is that there's no more headphones. So now you can actually go on, I saw on eBay that they had the Google wired buds for about $12 to $18. So you can actually pick a pair of those, or if you want to wait for the new wireless Pixel buds, those will come out next year. I think it was spring 2020 or fall 2020. But this is what you get on the inside. I do have the unlock model, hopefully. So let's just pop this in. Push that to the side. And let's get back to the phone itself. Alright, here we go. Alright, so one problem that I do have is that I don't have a case. I mean, I don't have another case, and I don't have a screen protector, so I definitely have to be careful with this. Now, the first thing I really notice is how the sides are really matte, just like a beautiful texture to that. It does have a little bit of weight. Now, I did actually bring up some old phones that you guys might be curious to see next to it. If you guys remember this, if you guys are in a 2-year cycle of having to do upgrades, this is what the Pixel 2 XL looks like next to the Pixel 4 XL. Now, they're very similar in height, very similar. Sides, it's a little bit thicker. They still have the accent buttons, but this one's like a little bit more salmon color, all black around. They added speakers to the bottom now, so you don't have the two front-firing speakers, and you have the SIM ejection tray in the same exact spot, but they lifted it up just a little bit, and this is what it looks like from the back. So now you have an extra sensor here. A lot of people have been complaining that it doesn't have the wide-angle camera, but for some reason, I do remember last year with the Pixel 3 series that they had the wide angle for the front and for the back. Now, I've been hearing that they took away that regular wide angle sensor, so hopefully it does have at least like a wider angle than like the iPhone had from last year, but we'll get to the bottom now. This is the Pixel 3, the 3A, which does have the headphone jack, which I love, and I have been using this phone for the last 2 weeks. So this is the Pixel 3A. It feels a lot lighter, and this one feels more substantial, meaning that it feels like quality. Now, as far as quality wise, this does not seem like cheap at all. This thing feels really sturdy. As far as the camera hump, you could definitely see that through there. Let's see if we can get a little closer at the camera hump. Yeah, it's definitely a camera hump here. So let's just power this baby on. As far as fingerprints, you don't really see that on the back. Not too much, but it is there. From the front of the screen, let me turn off my phone. Alright, my watch. So from the front of the screen, you do have a nice little chin there, and it looks like it's a perfect blend into that. So it definitely shows for sure. So you guys let me know down in the comments, did you prefer to have that big notch from last year that they had on the Pixel 3 XL, or do you guys like this a little bit better? And you do have a little chin as well. Now, another phone that I do want to compare it to, as far as the chin wise, would be the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, we could definitely do a little bit of comparison because they have a similar shape of the rear camera. If you guys are interested to see what that looks like, very similar, but this one has only 2 sensors and this one has 3. Hopefully for next year they will have a third one, so it will actually fit that wide angle camera. I think they should have did that, but this is what the bottom looks like if you guys are curious. And as far as the height, it looks like the Pixel 4 XL is a little bit taller, and that's about it. Hold on a second, let me clear up my messages. And this is what it looks like from the front. Now let's look at the bezel. So it's definitely smaller on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And on the top, would you rather prefer a notch or a whole entire forehead? So that's about it for the unboxing, guys. I will have a lot more videos on the Pixel 4 XL. You guys let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see from the Pixel 4 XL in that beautiful Osa orange color. Let's put it inside the case. You guys let me know what you guys think. Get your salmon on. This is what it looks like. You got to open on the bottom there, and everything here is closed, which is pretty good. And they put all the buttons here on the right side, and you don't have a fingerprint scanner no more. So that's one of the biggest differences that you have from the Pixel 2 XL and from the 3 and 3A and the Pixel XL, the original one. So big shout out to all my Team Pixel fans. Big shout out to Ultra Tech. Shout out to Unlock Custom Droid, RP3 Tech Reviews, and Forest Tech Reviews, and my Team Pixel brother, Android Stud. So if you guys want to see more videos of the Pixel 4 XL, let me know down in the comments below. I will have more videos, including a camera test and all that good stuff. So to the next video, guys. Peace.